Good evening, viewers. Today we will discuss public management concepts, salient features. So basically, it's a modern approach developed in the 20th century, aimed to improve efficiency, effectiveness, accountability of public sector organization. So you know that public sector organization, there's a lot of problem, a lot of issues. So like a lack of accountability, lack of effectiveness, a lack of efficiency. The machinery are not effective, not efficient. So the work are not effectively properly done. So there is no accountability of the officials, employees in the public service management, employees or staff. So that's why a new concept was developed just to improve this old system of public service management, staff, employees, machinery, etc. So that uh, should it should match the new technology to deliver proper and effectively and efficient accountability of this of the employee should be ensured in this concept, because in the previous concept there's a lack of such a thing like effectiveness, accountability. There's no accountability of these employees. Anything they can do, anything they can do wrongs in their job, in their activities. So that activity should be accountable, so that what they have done and what they have not done. So effectiveness, everything they have done should be effective, should not be like short term like other. So it should be a long term result oriented things. Should be efficiency, should be such a efficient. They should be in such a way equipped with training, new skill, technology. So they should be efficient. They can deliver the right time in the proper way the service to the peoples. So that was the basic concept of this new public management. So how they will do? They will just follow adopting private sector management techniques. There are certain type of techniques from the private sector. They should be developed, adopted in the public management, public sector, government sector. So that should be uh, ensure these qualities like accountability of the machinery, the staff, the personnel, and the effectiveness and efficiency of their activities, etc. So basically, the previous concept of the public administration, it was not deliver anything to according to the public expectations. So now just to make this sure this thing ensure that I should meet the expectation of the people by increasing their activity, the efficiency, effectiveness in their works by delivering the public services to the peoples. So that's why this new concept was developed. So that's the basic idea. So now we will discuss the salient feature of this new public management. Okay, right. So the first salient feature of this new public management is market-oriented approach. So what is the meaning of the market-oriented approach? Those approach which are prevalent in the public sector, sorry, in the private sector, which following the expectation of the market, what the market want. So they adopted such a things. If the market is going in the some direction, so they will follow that direction. They will not go against that directions. So what the people wanted, what in the market the people wanted, what the customer wanted, what the customer demanded in the markets. So that should be the approach towards to follow those techniques, those demands into consideration, then just put these demand into public policies. So should be deliver facilities, other like provision of construction of the new buildings, construction of these colleges, universities, like bringing technology in the public, in the government sector, schools, universities, etc., etc. So these all are the new techniques, new demands, and what are the market in the use of electronic media like AI, artificial intelligence, and computerize the whole system. So then, modernize the organization with the new equipment, new technology. So these are all market-oriented approaches. Competition and private sector practices in public management. Those practices in those competition which are in the market in the public management. So sorry in the in the private management, they should be adopted also in the same in the public management. Those competition techniques which are using and prevalent in this private sector should be also adopted in the public management. So that way they can meet the demands of the people and of the markets. They can deliver result oriented uh, by achieving the targets. It's only in that way is possible. Number two is a decentralization, mean that one is called center. Center mean those who have everything and the center, all the units, they just follow the center. So decentralization mean is a principle that center should delegate or hand over powers to make a plan per their province, per their districts. So it's called the decentralization principle. So what will actually happen that decision making and flexibility in the provision of public service to the people will be faster and faster, because in the center you make a plan, but it cannot be implemented at the district level, at the provincial level, because of decentralization is not available, not provided. So if you decentralization principle follow in the government's sector, provision delegate some authority power the district level, the council and tehsil level, so it can be developed the so it can easily reduce the problem, the issues facing in these small communities like a tehsil and a union council, a town council, in the small city and the district level. So it is the basic principle of this new public management. So another principle is this performance-based management. So it should be performance-based management. So if there is no performance, how you can deliver service? So that is the basic principle of the new public management, that the official will deliver performance. Then it will the organization will work properly, and it will be like just like a private sector. Number four is a customer orientation. Customer oriented mean it should meet the demand of the people. What the people wanted, it should meet those demand. Otherwise, it is against the principle the of this new public management. Accountability and transparency. There should be accountability and transparency in this in their public management organization within the employees, the staff, so that there is a no mismanagement, no corruption, and every official should be accountable for what he did toward this by using his power regarding resolving the provision of the facility to the people. Should be number six is result oriented management. It should give result. It should give the targets, what the target, how much target they have achieved and what they have not achieved should be the main principle of this organization. Otherwise, it will not be called this new public management organization. Thank you very much.